Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy community since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the Katy market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. Spacious, light and bright 3 or 4 bedroom home with high ceilings and open floor plan. Recently updated tile flooring throughout as well as expanded kitchen pantry. Potential 4th bedroom or study and rear of home. Master bath has a separate jetted tub and shower. Breakfast area and pass through to the dining area. Stainless appliances. Live in Katy Proper, city limits, with city utilities. No mud. No flooding per cellar. Easy access to 99 I-10 in Downtown Katy. Schedule a tour today.